Hello, this tutorial will help show you how to personalize your Feed for Function page. This way, when clients or patients are welcomed into your program, they'll get a ability to look at your logo, see your company information, pictures of you, and we're going to show you how to change the different settings to make that possible. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your cursor and go up to Settings. In Settings, the first thing you'll come to is Profile. Profile will show information to your clients or patients. So this is information that is going to be public. I don't like to share my phone number, so I don't put it in the Profile section. You may want to do that. You can edit this information. You can't edit your email. This information has been preloaded into the system. It can be changed by emailing the administrator, but this is preloaded information that you've given info at Feed4Function, that they've built this out before you've gotten on your site. So from there, you can also change your password. You had to password reset once you started your program, but here you can change it again by adding in your current password that you have, a new password, and then confirming that password and update password. From there, you now can change the logo. This is going to change the logo in the upper left-hand portion of your Feed4Function site. Here, as you see, I've already preloaded my photo. If I might make a suggestion, make sure that you've got a transparent backed photo that's been edited, preferably JPEG. It will accept a couple different file formats. This one is JPEG here. And so I've uploaded this photo, and now anywhere you click in my screens, whether it be on my page or my client's pages, you're going to see that logo in the upper left-hand corner. It will also be seen for your affiliate coaches. So if you're the owner of a gym or the head coach and you've got coaches underneath you, that will be the logo that they see. We will get to another setting further down in the page where you can actually individualize it per coach underneath you. Next is your bio. In your bio and again, you'll want to upload an image. I'll find an image, goofy image of myself. Upload that image, and then you can type in all that you want to type in to let your clients or patients know about you. You can then update that bio. Update it. So from there, you'll want to maybe go into the welcome email template. As you invite clients, this gives you the ability to set the tone for their whole experience. Maybe you want to talk about how they're endeavoring on this journey with you, what they can be prepared for, how long they have to wait to look at their diet and program information. And this will be sent in the initial email to them that welcomes them onto the site. You can pre-prepare a Word document and then copy and paste it. However, I will warn you, sometimes the copy and paste feature may move the sentences further apart. You may have to do a little bit of editing to put it back all together. So sometimes I recommend making your first one from scratch, and that makes sure that the format settings are the way that you like them. Going further down in your options, I'll go down to now company preferences. These are things that you may want to change about not just what your individual coach settings look like and preferences look like, but what the companies look like. So this is information that you can put out that your clients or patients will see that's about the business and not about you. So I put my business information in here. I put the business phone number, and all that's visible so they can see that information and contact us. They can go to our website and get our phone number to the office. Again, you can upload a different image there. Then you go into coach permissions. If you want to allow coaches underneath you to put up their own logos, you can allow that feature. If you turn it off, they cannot do that. You can also allow each coach to have their own FAQ section for frequently asked questions. I also want that feature off, and then I save those preferences. You now go to the FAQ section. Here, you may want to enter in frequently asked questions. like we always get, is this a flexible dieting program? While we do use macros, we are not a flexible dieting program. So I might put that in there. Is this a flexible dieting program? And then again, answer no. And this is just putting in a basic one. So there, it will show this so people can go in there, and then you can go back and edit it by clicking the box, and you can edit it again. Next is About Info. About Info is about the company. Here you can talk all about the company and all its attributes and the selling points of this process and the company itself. And then lastly, you have Terms and Conditions. Terms and conditions is something that every company has different information that they would want to share about policies and procedures, things that they want to make sure that they highlight, that the client reviews. Some coaches go as far as to send a follow-up email that verifies that they have seen and agreed to all terms. Here again, you can put in any information that you want, save that information at the top, and then it is editable for later review. So these are the main settings that I would suggest adjusting as soon as you open up your Feed4Function account.